everyone, so let's get started. I already blow dry my hairs. How's it looks? Just comment down. And we are doing makeup with our glasses, so let's get started. So first we are starting with priming our skin. As always, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Pearl Primer. I love this primer. It gives me soft nourishment look and it's hide my all pores. For foundation, I'm using the Swiss Beauty's HD Coverage Foundation. It's also called Snapshot Ready Foundation, and blending it with the Beauty Blender. Don't mind my eyes, guys, because I didn't wear the lenses because we are doing makeup with the glasses, so I didn't prefer to apply lenses. Now my eyes looks less squishy and so small, just a little hopes. That's okay. Fine. For concealer, I'm using the Fashion Factory concealer, just a little bit under my eyes and my nose and my hyperpigmentation areas, and blending it with the same beauty blender. For setting my concealer and my base, I'm using this Naked 6 Clemmies Loose Powder, and setting my base with powder brush. For brows, I'm using this Vaseline and a brow shaper, and just shaping my brows, nothing more than that, because in our specs we didn't see our brows. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See, we didn't see our brows, nothing at all, just this Revolution palette and this fluffy brush. We are making something with our eyes, and within it I'm taking this brown color and just applying on my crease line and just blending it out. That's it. Now I'm taking the eyeliner of CV3, sketch eyeliner of CV3, and making a winged liner just like it. In this look, the liner is the main thing. When we are seeing with the glasses, we didn't see eyeshadows and all, we didn't see at all, just a liner. When you apply bold liner, you can easily see your eyes, or after that you can't see anything other than that. I'm so sorry about my phone brightness in this look, so sorry. For mascara, I'm using the Glam 21's mascara and applying on my lashes. Obviously, just 2 to 3 coats of it, and that's it. We didn't apply lashes because when we are wear sunglasses or glasses, it just touch on our glasses if we have longer lashes or we have falsies. So we have to just apply mascara, and that's it. If you want to more, then curl your eyelashes. See this cute beans. Oh, now I'm applying blusher with my blusher brush. Now it's time for a highlighter. Just a bit. I'm taking the NYX illuminating highlighter. I already told you, do not mind my eyes, please. Actually, I'm minding my eyes. Okay, fine, but it looks so small. I have small eyes. Okay, fine. Now it's time for our glasses. Dun, 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 dun. Now I'm applying the new lipstick from the MAC Cosmetics, and just a bit, and we are done. Now I hope you like this video. I really love this look because I always wear glasses when I'm outside. I don't wear much lenses, so I love this look. I always do this look. It's my everyday going look. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and remember to press the bell icon. Okay, so see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay glam, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.